Hello friends, I am Laksh and today I will tell you about various calculating devices and evolution of computers. So, firstly, what are computers? A computer is a machine or device that performs processes, calculations and operations based on instructions provided by a software or hardware program. It has the ability to accept data, input, process it and then produce outputs. Early calculating devices. Abacus. Abacus was the first calculating device made by man. Abacus was made around 5,000 years ago. The abacus consists of a wooden frame and beads for calculation. It was popularized in Japan and China. Napier's bones. Napier's bones was invented by John Napier in 1617 AD. Wow, that's a long time ago. Napier's bones were actually ivy sticks with numbers on them in a special way. It was used for multiplication and division at a fast speed. Pascaline. Pascaline was invented by Blaise Pascal in 1642. It is considered as the first calculator. It consists of a wooden box and dials. It was used to add and subtract extremely quickly. She made this for her father's business. Leibniz's calculator. Gottfried Leibniz invented Leibniz's calculator in 1674. It was capable of doing multiplications automatically. Jacquard's loom. In 1801, a French weaver, Joseph Marie Jacquard, created an automatic weaving machine that could be programmed to create patterns on fabrics. It was controlled by means of punch cards. Difference engine. An English mathematician, Charles Babbage, designed a steam driven calculating machine known as the difference engine. This machine was capable of solving equations and printing the results, but he couldn't complete the difference engine. Analytical engine. In 1832, Charles Babbage proposed another machine that contained all essential features of modern computers. There was a way to input data, a place for storing data, a way to process data, and a way to show the output. Though Charles Babbage could not build the analytical engine, his idea eventually led to the development of computers. Tabulating machine. In 1890, Herman Hollerith made the tabulating machine. He used it is to complete results of US census in a very short time. He used punched cards to input data into the machine. Mark 1. Mark 1 was invented by Howard Aiken in 1941. It worked automatically to do calculations at a fast speed. Now it's time for Did You Knows? Blaise Pascal made Pascaline for her father's business. I told you before that. Charles Babbage is known as the father of computers. This is important. Mark 1 was as long as half a football field. Wow. Leibniz actually improved Pascaline, not made by itself. Then analytical engine was as big as a room. Wow. So bye. So bye friends and please like and subscribe our channel. Fun time for kids. Bye.